First of all, today's we'll just recollect all the identities first, and then we will start our factorizing things, children. As I'm taking first one, a plus b whole square identity, a minus b whole square identity, basic things we are discussing, and a square minus b square identity, and x plus a into x minus a, x plus a into x plus b identity we will take. Then alternative is, so first one, as you said, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus
plus b square.
a minus b can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus
Yes.
bracket a minus b. This is a third identity.
Into a minus b.
Square plus a plus b into x plus a.
Here a plus b into x, and
A square plus a in plus a plus b plus x plus ab.
that's all, children. Based on these four basic rules, we will just discuss our chapter. Then what is left over, we will go little later. Come on, children. Now you have to apply your identities. These are the identities, basic identities. I'm going to give exercise sums to you quickly. So you have to factorize the given expressions. Come on, children. Let me go with the questions. First bit. 9a square plus 12a plus 4. By seeing this equation only, you need to, by observing the question only, you're supposed to see, children, which identity you're supposed to use. By seeing only, you can. Here,
A plus
3a whole square I'm going to
a
write.
plus 2 whole square.
Yes, and 2ab form 2. ab can be written as 3a, and b can be written as 2 here. Sorry, b can be written as 2 here, plus 4 square. 4 square can be 4 2
2
whole.
square.
Now which
2 square.
which identity, Jashmita, here?
Ma'am, a plus b whole
Ma'am,
square.
A plus b whole square. Very good. What is a value here?
Then
Ma'am,
3a.
3a.
Plus
3a.
2 whole square.
whole square. Next one. So here you need to express as the factors. So any number power raised power 2 means you just write as 3a plus 2 into 3a plus 2. This is here.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Where, no, please. Where your doubt?
Ma'am, this 2 into 3a into 2 again. Why did you give? Ma'am, you can directly give it, right? Ma'am, 2 into 6a.
No, I am just expressing as 2ab format. A is 2a, b is 2a.
Okay, ma'am, b is 2, ma'am. Okay, yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes. So I just expressed as in a square plus 2ab plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square. Okay, children, any doubt? Please let me clarify here only. Please, if you have any doubt, feel free and ask here. Don't, I'm not going running because these are revision classes. We are going little cool, and if anything is still doubt, please let me know. Raise your hand or else. Next question. Please, who knows, directly put in the chat box, children. 16a square plus 40ab 40ab plus 25b square. By observing these two terms only, you can
4a plus 5b whole square.
here.
A plus
b square is the identity used actually.
Yeah. So 2ab means 2 dot a plus you have 4a, and b plus you have 5b. If you have any doubt also, you can multiply and check it, children. 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So 40ab. So our original value is also 40ab. Like that, you can recheck also whether you are doing correct or not. Now it is absolutely correct. So you can write 4a plus 5b whole square, because a plus b whole square can be written as You can use, you are using this identity, children. Since from this identity we are making as 4a plus, so 4a plus 5b, because since it is a square, you have to write it as 2 times 4a plus 5b into 4a plus 5b. This is where we are going, children. Can I give a few more questions? Can you please do it, children? Use
Yes,
your
ma'am.
identity.
Yes.
And yes, sometimes not doing directly, children. You have to see what you're supposed to take, and you have to go how you use it. 8pq plus 2q square. Come on, children, please. In this case, directly I'm not given, children. As you need to do before going to a plus b identity, you have to suppose to which number you have to take common over here. Which number you have to take common?
Ma'am, 2.
Very good, very good. You supposed to take as
Even I got, ma'am. It's 4, 2 into 4p plus q whole square.
very good. Then if I'm taking 2pq, you are getting plus q square. Now this you can use identity in the bracket. Whatever you have in the bracket, use your identity. Come on, children. Come on, please. Sometimes indirect, they won't give direct questions, children. Like that is given also. You're supposed to think which number you have to take as a common. Then you have to apply your rule. That is one more point to remember.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, in the second line, ma'am, you wrote 2PQ. It should be 4PQ, right?
Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, it's 4pq. Correct. You are correct. Right. 2 4s are 8. Right. Come on, children. Please factorize this. Can I write it as 2p?
For
Yes.
2P whole square.
Yes. 2p plus 2. So this can be written as 2 bracket 2p plus q into 2p plus 2p plus. This is one way. And the next question, children. A square b square minus 14abc plus 49c square. This is 49. Which identity, what identity I can use over here? Yes, which one?
Ma'am, can we do X plus A into X plus B?
No, no. By seeing only you can, this can be written as AB whole square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus, so you just last one you have to go, this a little later we will fill.
C whole square.
49 can be written as 7c. whole
Ma'am, is it A minus B whole square then?
Yes, correct. AB into 7c. Now you just multiply constants here, 7 2s are 14, you are getting ABC is your term, ABC here, ABC, right? ABC, you have to, now you can apply your AB minus 7c whole square. AB minus 7c can be written as AB minus 7c, bracket AB minus 7c. Any doubt, Ashrita, here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, next bit, children. These are basic questions, children. Now, a small change. This is 25 a to the power 5, a to the power 5, and minus 9a. Come on, children, please. This is your question. You have to factorize it. Yes. So how I supposed to? Can I do directly here? There is no way. If I'm going to do directly here, no way.
Ma'am, 5a whole power 6.
How you will get whole power?
No, not 6.
Okay. Come on, think and give, children. What should I do here? First step, something.
A common, ma'am.
Very good. Which one is common here? A common. So 25a to the power. How much? 5 means 1 I am taking outside. So then here
4.
minus here 9. Very good. Very good. Right, children. Here 25a power 4 can be written as, can I write as 5a square whole square? Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Power raised to power becomes multiplication, so 2 2s are 4. Here 9 can be written as
3 square.
which identity I should use for this?
A square minus square.
A square minus B square.
Wonderful, wonderful. A square minus B square. So where the A is 5A square plus 3 is one step, and 5A square minus 3 is another step. That's all. children.
Ma'am, it should be 5a square whole power 4, no, ma'am.
Yes, yes, A power 4 only. I'm writing as power raised power. Yes, any doubt over there?
Ma'am, because we are converting 25 into 5 into 5, no, or 5
That is okay. Both. Suppose Satvik, you see somewhere if I'm taking a B whole square is there means that square will be applicable for both the numbers. Yes or no, Satvik?
Yes, ma'am, both of them.
Suppose it's the same situation here, but I'm taking just a simple square here. So 5a square, I'm squaring both sides, squaring on 5a square, I'm squaring. So here what happened? 5 apply a square can be applied for 5 as well as a square whole square. This can be written as 25. A power raised power, you should do multiplication, right? This is exponential.
Yes,
law,
ma'am.
exponential law. So here it becomes a power 4. So for this, how I should write? Instead of 25, a power 4 can be written as 5a square whole square. Yes or no, Satvik?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Ma'am,
Now,
can I leave, ma'am? I have exam.
yes, Lalit, please. You can, Lalit, please. Next. (36) a to the power 4 minus 1. Come on here, please think it. How I should factorize in this case? 36 a to the power 4
Ma'am,
minus
6 are 36.
very good 6 6 are 36. So 6
Ma'am, 6a square whole square.
very good. Satvik, 1 can be written as shall I write as 1 square?
Yes, ma'am, 1 square is
Yes.
1 only.
Which identity I can use over here?
A square minus
A minus B.
A square.
A square minus B square is equal to
A plus B.
into A minus
A
B.
plus B into A minus B.
So what is a value here?
6a square.
Ma'am, 6A square.
Plus 1 into 6a square minus 1.
6a square.
6.
Yeah. There are many questions, children, not as similar. There are many questions. Next one. I'm taking different varieties, children. Please try to answer or else try to observe, because how many we are practicing, that much perfect you will get in your maybe 25 a square (25a square 25a square by b square). This is some other different one, but it is also very simple. What we should do here? 25 can be written as
I square.
I square.
very good. Then a by b. Can I write this as a by b whole
Whole
square?
square. Yes, ma'am.
So now what is the identity?
A minus B whole.
A square
A
minus
square
b.
minus B square.
So this is written as
A plus B into A minus B.
right. Here what is a value?
5. 5.
B value?
A by B.
So 5 minus
A
a by b. One number of questions. Next one. Any doubt here, children? Any doubt? Please answer my question, or else please raise your hand. Yeah.
No, ma'am. No, no.
Next one. Next one. Some squares are happens also, don't worry children, that's also very simple only, but they will give little, they won't give, very simple in the examination. 20, sorry, 2a square bc, this you should do little careful. It is also easy only, b square c square. Which identity I should over here?
Ma'am, a plus b whole square.
Yes,
only
ma'am. A
ma'am.
plus b whole square.
Very good, Jashmita. A square whole square I can write, and the last term can be written as BC
B
whole.
square. BC whole
In the 2ab term, 2, a place I am having a square, b place I am having BC. Let me check whether it is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. What the form is, I am merged with this term. So I can use a plus b whole square. So a value is a square, b value is BC, can be written as, so this can be written as a square plus BC bracket a square plus BC, because any term power 2 means we have to multiply it twice.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Next one. This is 25. 25 a square plus 5ab. This is 5ab plus b square by 4. Come on, think and give the next step, children, please.
Ma'am, first we'll get 5a square whole square.
Okay. 5a whole square, right? Not 5a square, 5a whole square. And the last step can, first you find AB values, children, then it is easy to write middle term. What is the last term?
B square by 4.
B by 2 whole square. B by 2
Yes,
whole
ma'am.
square.
Yes.
Now come on to AB. 2a plus 5a. Then B plus you have B by 2. So if I cancelled this part, this 2 and this 2, you will get at least 5ab. So 5ab is matched here. Very good. So what we are doing is absolutely correct. So 5a plus b by 2 whole square we can write. In factors form, if you want to express as a factors, so 5a plus b by 2 bracket 5a plus b by 2. Any question, children, you have to, your step should be given question, which format you supposed to take. That's your target. Target is with you. You can next 16 a square by 9b square plus 1 minute, children, plus 2, just 2, children. Constant term just 2 is given in the middle, and the last term is given as a 9b square divided with the 16 a square. Come on, children, what you supposed to tell here?
Ma'am, first we can write 16a by 9b whole square.
No, 16 a I can't write, right? Instead of 16, what number I should use?
4, ma'am. 4 square.
4a. Very good. In denominator,
Ma'am, 3. 4 by
3, ma'am.
3b whole
3,
square.
ma'am.
whole power 4, ma'am. 2.
This
Whole
is
power 2 plus.
okay. Last term, go to last term first, children, then it is easy.
Ma'am, this is
Ma'am,
3
whole square by 4a whole
3b,
square.
3b by
3
4,
and by
3b
4,
by 4 whole
4
square.
a, and then whole square.
Okay, then next in middle term you have to write like a plus length 4a by 3b, and b place you have 3a by 3b by 3b by 4a. So you just see these are the same thing, you just make a cancel, that's why you have left over t. So we can use your a plus b whole square identity, so that 4a by 3b plus 3b by 4a whole square. You can even factorize the form, you can write it as a product. So that's about the next bit. Coming to the next question. I'm not giving this question to you children. Now you have to answer this question. I won't give any clues also. P square minus 4pq plus, one minute children. P square minus 4pq and here plus 4q square and minus 4r square. I won't give any clue part here. Please think and give us. What I should do, which part I should simplify over here. Any procedure you can, if you take these three terms together, any rule you will get, you just see first of all.
Ma'am, for the first three terms, can we use a minus b whole square?
Wonderful, wonderful. So that it becomes a p minus 2q whole square. Then last term is 4r square. Again,
Ma'am,
still
that
we
we can
can.
simplify it as 2r whole square, right?
Which one, ma?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
that's
very
4r
good.
square.
Yes, 2r whole square. Very good. 2r whole square. So this can be written as which identity we can use over here.
Ma'am, a square minus b square.
A square minus b square here p minus 2q whole square. Yeah, very good children. Very good. You can write it as a minus what you supposed to write over here. A square minus b square identity you can use. A square minus b square identity you can use. So here what we can write children, a plus b into
A minus B.
minus b. Very good children, come on, please apply the same technique here too, but two terms, don't think about many terms are also happen, not only two. If even though three happens also, don't no need of scare. So p minus 2q, p minus 2q
Minus 2r.
or very good, and then here only minus sign will occur, the rest everything is same. P minus 2q minus 2r. This is little carefully you have to write children. Little carefully you have to do. That's all. There are two things. There are the two formulas, two identities we are using here. First one, you can use this for a plus b whole, a minus b whole square. Then once again, after writing this one, once again we are going to use a square minus b square. Two
Ma'am,
identities
can you give another question?
like this, ma? Okay.
In this chapter only, ma'am.
Yeah, there are many questions because this, how many you will practice, that much perfect. Our textbooks have very less questions, children. But if you want to practice as a competitive spirit, you need to do little more hard work here. Okay, anyway, we'll go with some other part of varieties of questions too here. Let me take the question. Okay. Yeah, don't think like a question is big. I don't know, mom. This is this much big. Don't think like that. See and apply that. Which one I supposed to use over here to simplify my part? Yeah, C plus D minus. This is one part given, and the second part is given. C plus D whole square. It's not whole square, children. It's whole cube. It's whole cube, and a plus b part. Yeah, this is about your part. Yes, children. Please think over here which one we should eliminate first, so that any identity we can use over here. First step, or second step. What is the thing you have to do over here? Please see.
Ma'am, and can we subtract C
No,
plus D into-
don't go for subtraction. First, you have to take some common part. First of all, make as a simplified form. So make some part as a common in both. Which one is common? You have to identify first. Children, this is a plus b whole cube you have. Here a plus b whole to the power 1 is there. So here c plus d whole to the power 1 is there. C plus d whole to the power 3 is there. Which one I should take from both? Can I take as a plus d and c plus d? Yes or no?
Yes,
Please-
we plus D.
Yes or no? Please let me know, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is left over?
A
What is left over here, children? What is left over if a power one term I'm taking, one I am taking means what is left over there?
2.
A plus b whole
Two
square
powers that are left. That is
then-
square.
minus which one is left? A plus b anyway coming outside. This c plus d whole to the power 3 means c plus d whole
Whole
cube.
power.
Sorry, whole square. One I removed outside. Whole square. Right.
Three.
Now, this is as usual. Don't go with this part, children. Don't disturb this part. You go with this part. What is that? Which identity you use over there?
Ma'am, I didn't understood the second statement.
Okay, shall I help you once again?
Ma'am, we can
ma'am.
take a minus b whole cube.
No, don't go with the, if you go with like that, a very big sum it happens. You have to wisely think here. Suppose 1 minute, I will make some question. 2 square, that's very 1 minute. 2 cube into 3 minus 3 cube into 2 is there. In this, both the numbers, which is common, please?
Ma'am, 2 cube and 3 cube.
Minus 2.
No, 2 cube and 2 cube is not there in second term, right? 2
Yes,
and
ma'am.
3 is common. 2 and 3 is common. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am. 2 and
So 2 and 3, if I'm taking common, what is left over inside? 2 I'm taking common means 3 minus 1, 2 square. 3 anyway came out. Then here 3 square you will get. Yes or no, my dear children? You understand
Yes,
this
ma'am.
part or not? Please tell me.
yes, ma'am.
If you
Ma'am,
understand
before sum is also like that only, right?
this one, you should do the same procedure. Instead of numbers, we are taking some variables over here. Pallav, can I help you once again? This part of
Yes, ma'am.
From the last part, even I did not understand, ma'am.
okay. Now in this, which is common? This is first term. This is second term. There are 2 terms separated by minus.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can you
c plus
explain
d
before sum
and
also?
a plus b, ma'am.
Which one, Pallav?
Ma'am, c plus
Before
d
sum,
and a
ma'am.
plus b.
Before
sum.
some, what I gave before some.
Ma'am, p square minus 4p cube plus 4q square minus 4r square.
Oh, that is also okay. But let me complete this. I will help
Ma'am,
you.
this c plus d and a plus b, ma'am.
A plus b here I am taking common as you said, and c plus d also I am taking common. What is left over inside? Once after taking common,
Ma'am, a plus b
whole square minus c plus d whole
square,
square.
whole square,
minus c plus d whole
whole
square.
square.
In bracket, which identity we can use over here?
Ma'am, a square minus b square, which is a
Plus b into
plus b
minus.
into a minus b.
Very good, very good, very good. So this is can be written as a plus b, a plus c plus c plus d. This is one term. And if I'm taking subtraction in the middle, a plus b is a value and the b value is c plus d, but I'm using minus c minus d. This is the answer, children. This is the answer. If any doubts, please ask me. Try to think
Yes, yes, ma'am. Correct.
why minus happened for these 2 terms, please.
Ma'am, can you explain this again, ma'am? Last step.
Sure, sure. So this is a plus b into a square minus b square can be written as what is the formula? What identity? A square
A
minus
plus B, A minus B, ma'am.
A plus B into A minus B. Instead of A, what we have here? Instead of A, what we have here? A plus B we
A plus B whole square.
A plus B we have. A plus
Yes,
B we
ma'am.
have. Instead of B, we have C plus D.
Yes, ma'am.
So A plus B means A plus B plus C plus D, right? This
Yes,
is one
ma'am.
term. This is
Yes,
one
ma'am.
bracket is over. Coming to the second bracket, A plus B into A minus B. So instead of A, I'm writing A plus B. Minus B means C plus minus of minus C plus D. So see, if I'm taking subtraction symbol, minus C minus D, both are sign minus.
Minus plus will be minus, ma'am. That's why we
Minus.
took minus D.
Yeah, minus C minus D.
Ma'am, now can you explain before some?
Okay, Pallav, you got right now?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
But children, don't leave like that. You just once again take the same sum and whether I'm doing my own without help, I'm able to do or not, please check it. That's very important. Yeah, P square minus 4PQ plus 4Q square minus 4R square. So in this case, Pallav, I'm taking first 3 terms as one unit, Pallav. By observing, I didn't get any identity, but I'm taking first 3 terms together. I can use A plus B whole square format. Yes or no? A square minus
Yes, ma'am.
2AB plus B square. So this can be written as a P minus 2Q whole square. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 4R square. 4R square can be written as, can I write it as 2R whole square for my convenience to write identity? Can I write instead of 4R square, can I write as 2R whole square?
Yes, ma'am.
Now which identity I can use over here? A square
Minus B square.
Minus B square
so this
equal to A
plus
plus
B
B, A
minus B.
minus B.
So instead of A, what I have, instead of B, what I have? You just think.
For
Instead of
A,
A,
we
I
have P minus PQ. For B, we have 2R.
2R. This is one term. It's just I'm keeping minus. P minus 2Q is A, minus B term means minus 2R. That's all, Pallav. Pallav?
Understood, ma'am.
Right, Pallav. That is very good, Pallav. I'm appreciating you because if you're not getting, you're asking teacher and correcting, and that is appreciable thing, children. No need of feel, no need of shy here, no need of feel, because we are here to learn the things. I'm telling continuously, students, if you have any doubt, please let me know. If you are having confidence, you are able to do independently, that the satisfaction is a different, children. Suppose you this same sum you are doing, you are individually I'm doing means I feel more happy. Like that, inner happiness is very important. When you will get inner happiness, you will practice your own. Where you are facing difficulties, where you are unable to apply the law, please check it. Next part, because some variety, some questions you are able to do easily. This one, let me check. This is very simple question, children. Very, very simple. A square plus 2 plus 1 by A square, children. By seeing only what identity we can use over here.
Ma'am, 1 by A
Which
square will
identity?
write 1 A minus square. Minus 2. A power minus 2.
The last term, always go to last term, Nana. 1 by A whole square. Why? Because 1 square can be 1 square can be 1 only. A square can be A whole square can be A square. So 1 by A square can be written as 1 by A whole square. 2AB, middle term always 2AB. 2A plus length ఉంది నాన్న A, B plus 1 by A.
1 by A.
So A get cancelled. what you
One.
will get here? 2 only. So it is matched with our question. So even we can use our identity. Which identity? A plus B, A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. That means A plus 1 by A whole square. If you want to express as a factor, A plus 1 by A into A plus 1 by A, because any number, 2 square can be written as 2 into 2. The same way, A plus 1 by A whole can be written as 1, A plus 1 by A into A plus 1 by A, 2 times here. Because it is square. If it is 3 times. It is 4 times. Power should be 4 means 4 times you are multiplying.
Complete 1 minute.
Can I give 2 bits for you or task children? Your target questions. These are.
Yes, ma'am.
I won't give any clue, children, because I'm continuously telling I'm only doing on screen. So this time I'm be quite. My student should answer. Okay, are you ready for challenge, children?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
5 bits as your challenge questions. Come on.
Ma'am, should we send the answer
Ma'am,
in chat box?
Yes, ma'am. We will send the
But
answer.
you have to send in chat, children. I'm just watching.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you
but
can reveal the
where-
answers at the last.
Okay.
Ma'am, but how
Okay.
can we write for square, ma'am?
Oh, squares. There is a, or else you can put as.
I mean, laptops and computers, we can use shift and
6.
6, ma'am. And in normal iPad phone, we can go to numbers, ma'am. After going number, we need to for
long
some
press.
time we need to hold like that only, ma'am. The
Yeah, long
number.
press. Long press.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you happens, you will get square number. Hello, please see the device you are using. Please, as Satvik, can you please repeat once again so that he can.
And for laptop, shift and 6, ma'am. And for
Okay, shift.
for phones and tabs,
Long
we can
press.
do
Long press.
long press. Ma'am, we need to go to
Long
numbers
press.
and do long press.
Yeah, number and long press. Right. Try, Pallav, not getting, you're supposed to tell orally also, I can hear you. Okay?
Came, ma'am. It came, ma'am.
Now, don't think children, ma'am is giving little big, you, this is nice time for you explore yourself, think yourself. Don't think ma'am is giving little big, I didn't have such a big questions in my textbook, I have very small. Don't think like, so try it, children. This is your first question. And coming to your second question, 16a square minus 9b square plus 30bc minus 25c square. Next one, third question. Please wait, I have a class, I will come back. Ganga Harati రోజు చాలా famous. You just watch, I'll come back in 10 minutes. This is for your testing, children. These questions for your testing. Test yourself. These are the 4 bits for your memory power. These 4 bits are here. That's about today's session, children. We'll meet in next class. Please do these bits. I'm waiting here. Please do it and give in chat box.
Once show the questions, I will note
Yeah,
it down.
I'm showing. I'm just
Our
muted and I'm showing the board the 1 minute.
ma'am, can I leave?
Yes, children, you can take the questions and you can leave, children. You can try and come back with your answers in next class.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye, children. Bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye. Bye. Yeah, I'll share the screen just a minute, so you can take a screenshot and you can try.
Ma'am, I've sent you the answer of first one, is it right?
I'm seeing.
Even I sent the answer of the first
Even
one.
more 3 students sent. I'm just checking. Very good. Sahasra, you are correct, and Ashrita, you too correct. Lalit, you can leave, Nana.
No, ma'am, my exam is over, so I came back.
Okay, okay. These are the questions you need to factorize, Lalit. This is your homework part today.
Okay, ma'am, I've just noted
Yeah,
down.
please note down the questions and try it. Children, shall we end meet, children?
Ma'am, ma'am, I'm noting.
Next class, please come with your answers. We'll discuss. In
I
next
send the
class.
first one answer, ma'am.
Satvik, let me check. Satvik, I didn't see. Just a minute. I'll check and I'll update with you. Yes, you are correct. Satvik, you are correct. Satvik, you are correct. Good.
Ma'am, is my answer correct, ma'am?
What, ma? Jashmita?
Ma'am, I sent the answer to the first question. Is it correct?
Yeah, already correct. I said already you are correct. I said you and Sahasra and Ashrita and Satvik, 4 students and first answer. Very good.
Ma'am, can you?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am.
am a bit confused with the second one. I have small doubt in that.
Okay, what you should do there means, children in second bit, what you are doing?
Take first three or last three, ma'am.
Last
Last three you are taking, children. Which one you are taking? First three on also?
Ma'am, I took last three.
No, 16a square can be written as 4a whole square. Okay. If I'm taking here minus as common, last three you have to take, Nana. Minus as common and last three you have to take. Ashrita, last
Okay, ma'am. I understand.
minus you have to take common first, then last three as a group.
Okay, ma'am.
Then you will get a minus b whole square identity. You can do easily. Yes, children. Did you copy questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Thank you. Please come with your answers, children. Try it. Don't worry. If you are not getting also, we'll see in next class.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye, children. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
And bye, Pallav.